Hi guys, this is Char5, here to do a tutorial about how you can animate sprites to make like a series or a movie or whatever. I had done another tutorial, but it was all messed up. So I'm gonna divide this in two parts so you can appreciate it more. So maybe right now you can see that all the colors are distortion, they're all messed up. I don't know how to fix that. If someone can tell me how to fix that, please tell me, because I have no idea. Anyway, so the primary thing is where to get your sprites. Well, there's a site on the internet, obviously, where to get your sprites. This is the spriting resource I use the most because it has only Sonic sprites. So let's go to there. It's called the Mystical Forest Zone. So you can just like type the Mystical Forest Zone right here, or you can search it or whatever. So when you're there, go to sprites right here. It'll take you to this. It a lot of times says the arches are under construction, but updates will continue. It says that a lot, but don't listen to it. So you have to go over here, scroll down, and here you can get any type of sprites. Now, what you don't want to do is grab alternate universe or pixel art. Why? Okay, pixel art aren't sprites. They're just like things you can use for cutscenes. If you want to use that for cutscenes, then go straight ahead. I won't stop you. But if you just want to grab sprites, don't go here. Why not alternate universe? Well, you can do that if you want to edit sprites. But if you want to get original ones, don't go here. Okay, because these are just like edited ones or whatever. They just fuse Halo and Dragon Ball Z and stuff. Okay. So here you can see main sprites, others from other universes, badniks, as if you don't know what badniks are, they're Eggman's robots. So right now we're going to go to main. Something's probably happening though. I don't know if this is going to happen, but probably the audio is not in sync with the video. But it doesn't matter. Okay, so here you can see the various sprites. There are Sonic the Hedgehog sprites, some edited sprites, some made sprites, doesn't matter, they're still sprites. Supersonic sprites, there's some exaggerations here, you know, making his quills 15 times longer. Tails sprites, you can use these for cutscenes too, you know, planes. Knuckles sprites, Hyper Knuckles or Super Knuckles or whatever. Shadow sprites, as you can see, they edit a lot of sprites. Amy sprites, okay. Rouge sprites, Cream sprites, Eggman or Robotnik sprites, whatever name you're using. Okay, but right now we just want to learn primary stuff. If you're gonna use this one, go ahead. If you're gonna use this one, for example, go ahead. Right now, the easiest way, I've never animated these because I don't really feel like it. I just like animating these. I find them funner and I don't know. So, we pick one. This is Sonic Advance 2. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. So, you save picture as. I recommend you save it on the desktop. You leave the name, it doesn't matter. GIF, well, leave it as GIF. Don't choose bitmap. Believe me. So save. Then you go to your desktop, and here it is. Sonic Advance 2. You can name it whatever you want, but just leave the name. It doesn't really matter. So you open it in an editing program. Mainly, the easiest one is Paint. If you use another advanced one like Photoshop or Paint.net or something, it's going to be harder to, you know, animate. I mean, to recolor and stuff like that, it's going to be easier, but right now what we want to do is this. So what you want to do now is open another Paint. Right now, as you can see, it's huge, so you go to Image, then Attributes, or Control E, whatever. Then Width, 240, Height, 160. Those are the dimensions I use because it's easier to animate them. Now, okay, so you have your Sonic sprites here. Mainly, what you want to do is grab the thing you want to animate. Right now, let's animate the idol. This is what you call Sonic when he's, just standing there, not doing anything. You don't have to, completely circle him, but it's recommended. So we have him right there. Eliminate all the green parts, please. It's going to look hideous if you don't. Right now I'm not going to do it because it's just a tutorial. It's just to show you how it's done. So you save, changes to untitled. You name it whatever you want. We're going to save it on desktop. Please, for whatever you want, don't save it as a JPEG file. It makes it way harder to animate. I know. I used to do it when I was a noob with animating. So please save it as a PNG. The PNG is the best format to save it in. You can save it in GIF. It's the exact same thing, but save it as a PNG, because this, for example, is a GIF, but it's the same thing. So then what you want to do is grab this one right here. So you go to your desktop, you right click, then copy, then paste, or whatever. Right? The easiest way is to use just Control-C, Control-V. Then you open it in Paint again. And there you go. So you can make it bigger. So you just copy, go here, and paste it again. So right here what you want to do is make it almost in the exact same place. You just eliminate the green area. In a little you'll see why we do this. Okay, save, yes. Grab this one. Don't copy it yet. Copy this one and paste it first. Open with Paint. Then you just repeat the process as many times as you need to. Always getting the next sprite or the next frame. So you can do the next frame actually. So you go there. If there's anything that is over the, or that's bigger from the next sprite, just eliminate that part. And we're just going to do this last one. Okay. So you grab that one. Okay. Go there. Control-C, Control-V. Open in Paint. Copy. And paste. Okay. So there we go. Somewhat like that. Okay. Remember to not leave any part in green. It looks better that way. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'm going to be showing you just what to do to animate the sprites, where to animate and how. So tune in for the next one.